Hello, Chef here. I have something unusual for you today, something you've never seen before. What do we have here? Let's take a look. Black egg. That's right. I got a jar full of black eggs. Here's one of them. I want to show you a few things about this egg, tell you some more about it, and then maybe you're going to try to make some of these too. Black egg, pretty cool. So the coolest thing about it is the contrast. The white paper here and the black egg. So this black egg has been going about maybe a week now, and it's marinated, like pickled. You make a jar of vinegar, spices, garlic, pepper, whatever you like, and you're going to put the hard-boiled eggs in there, and then you're going to end up with something like this. Black egg, very cool. Let's carefully use this titanium knife and cut it right in half and see what it looks like inside. I like this knife for this type of cutting task. It goes right through very, very well. So here's the black egg on the inside. Cool? Yeah. I think I'll cut one more. They're all a little bit different. Oh yeah. There's another black egg. Got a little eye on it there. Okay. I'm going to take this black egg and same thing. I'll cut it with the titanium knife. Cut it right down that eye. I do like the fact the titanium, nothing sticks to it. Really, really nice. It's Kasumi. Learn more about this knife on this channel if you're interested. Okay, the second black egg looking really good. Now I'm going to serve these. Just do a real quick garnish for you. Alright, little presentation. Here we go. So I got the eggs out of the way. I got this awesome black tomato. Alright, or Cherokee purple. So we're just going to do a couple slices like this. We'll put one in the center here as well. Okay. Got these cool plating tongs. I'm going to add a little bit of black basil right here. And I'm going to finish this off with a little bit of smoked New Mexico chili powder, as well as a little bit of salt. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the presentation. Learn more about pickled eggs on this channel. Click that little like button. I know this is a first for you. And be sure to subscribe. Like the videos, please. Leave a comment about that tomato right there too. It's a very interesting pattern. Have a great day. Get cooking. Please watch Chef's other videos. You can learn a lot of cool things. Have a great day. This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food-safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to be back and show you a few tips here.